Let's see the blue jay.
I can't see anything.
It's like Bambi. They're all here.
Where? Oh, I think I see it too.
There's a squirrel over there. Oh, that's a chipmunk.
There's a chipmunk over there.
I've never seen a chipmunk before.
Oh, there's a blue jay. Haley, move. Dang, look at that. There's some chipmunk down there. Look at Haley, look, there's a chipmunk down there too, see? In that log next to that stump. What's up here now?
Oh yeah, they don't have any.
What else do we have? I've seen squirrels in Utah. Oh, there's a bug. What is the difference between a chipmunk and a squirrel?
That's awesome. We got to see it.
Yeah.
A black and white stripe going down their back through their tail.
That's cool. I felt the raindrop again. Move, go faster, go faster, go faster. Sorry.
Standing on the lawn?
I saw that earlier. He's still standing on there. Awesome.
If you just sit here, if you got a seat and just looked out for like 10 minutes, you would see wild nature. It's crazy.
Let's see what was up here. I hear it's so pretty. Yeah, I think it is. Oh, I saw blue jays down there. Blue jays down there still. Nice. Look at this pretty view. So beautiful. Yeah, I forgot we have Belle with us.
I want a picture with Mommy.
Douglas firs are beautiful. Some quaking aspens right here.
Could someone take Belle?
That was the blue jay. He's down there. Austrian pine up there. Some more of those. Another Douglas fir right here and up here. Okay, we got more aspens and some beautiful rocks.
Belle's in it too.
Well, and then this is beautiful Colorado for all you. It's nice. Tree stump there. Nature, whatever those bushes are. Beautiful, I love it. Beautiful, smooth white trunk of a quaking aspen. Might even be a paper birch, but I don't know. Pretty sure it's a quaking aspen, one of those. See baby Douglas fir. Some dead branches from a Austrian pine tree. It's still got some little aspens going down there. Okay, so there's a bird up in that tree. Looks like it's visible. See if I can find it. Do y'all see it?
No.
Somewhere up there.
Oh, I see it.
Is it the blue jay?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a blue jay up in this tree somewhere. Oh, see it? It's right up there. You can kind of see movement. Kinda. I don't really see him that well.
We have a better view over here.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, beautiful. I love this nature. You can see a stump right here. It's got pine cones in it. Some nice little moss. Oh, lovely. Love nature so much. It's my favorite. I love it. There's like a little hole right here. Some animal nest or something. Another one there. Yeah, it's either a paper birch or a quaking aspen. Something like that. I know. Look at that. Might be some type of aspen or birch. I haven't even know.
I can't remember what trees, but there's certain pine trees in Colorado. If you smell them, they taste like, or they smell like chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
interesting.
These ones you can't really get close, so I'll find them.
Pretty sure these are Austrian pines. They're the same we have in Utah. I've seen these in Utah before. There's the inside of a stump for you. That's pretty cool looking. There's a lot of spider webs and stuff and ants in there. Pretty sure that's an Austrian pine. There's a Douglas fir down here and right here. Maybe it's the Douglas firs, I don't know.
Should I take a video?
And there's moss spots on this rock. That's how they break down.
You want to keep going down this hill? Or you wanna...
We can head back.
Little plants on the edge of this rock.
This is what I'm talking about, sister. We can come back to the camping and then up in the mountains and then just spend all days in mountains
Yep.
and on trails.
Look at all these trees. So beautiful.
Like that bag that you got at that dry sale, something like that. Out here for a couple hours. I got camera bags.
Hope y'all like these views of nature. But hope you all enjoy this video. It's beautiful out here. This is the mountains of Colorado. We're visiting near Pikes Peak. about 11,000 feet up, somewhere down 10,000 feet up. I don't know, but I think the max height is like 12,000. I think is what the peak is at. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video.